Today we are taking the Surron Ultra Bee and we're headed on a little exploration ride. So we're in Olympic National Park right now, or just outside Olympic National Park, in a chain of mountains. I found some legal single track according to the map, so we're gonna go try to conquer that on the Ultra Bee today. I was thinking about camping, but it's kind of crappy out, so I'm not gonna camp tonight because I don't want to get wet, and there's a fire ban right now, and so being wet and sitting around camp without a fire kind of sucks. So we're gonna go do a little exploration out here today and see if we can find anything really cool. We're in the forest and we're gonna be at lower elevation, so it's gonna be kind of moody and it'll be interesting to see how it turns out. We're gonna gear up and then we're gonna go hit the trail. Well, first we're gonna hit the road and then the trail, but you know what I mean. Let's do it. We're absolutely bringing the Oxbow helmet light. It is already 4 o'clock, sun sets at 7, and I don't want to be stuck out in the woods without light. All right, we're good. Let's close everything up and hit the trail. Alrighty, let's do this thing. Oh, great. My butt's already wet. Let's check nav. Bring us home, Onyx. Woo! Man, it's been so nice during the summer. No issues with rain, and now we're back to this frickin' weather. It's alright, we're gonna have a good ride. It's gonna be pretty cool. I really do have to question why I do this to myself. Like, why is this fun? I'll never understand it. So I think, if you guys notice, there's a blue line down there. That's our track. And that track looks like it's all the way down there. So we're riding like that valley over there on the other side. We drop all the way down in, and then we cross the stream or river down there. Although I'm a little worried about that because that sounds pretty fast flowing right now. We come back kind of like under where my truck was, and then we'll come along this ridge line all the way out. I don't know. I've never ridden this route before. I saw it like 2 hours ago on onX as a legal single track route. And so I said, you know what? I gotta go try this. So I have no idea what we're getting ourselves into. We could literally be setting ourselves up for failure. But there's only one way to find out. Jesus. Slow your roll, buddy. Dude's hauling ass on a frickin' wet forest road with a drop off right there. All right, I think this is the river we're going to have to cross. I hope it's not that bad. I really hope it's not that bad. All right, where are we at on GPS? All right, hard left here. All right, we just got a little bit of road and then we'll jump on the trail. Oh, it's a pretty sick camp spot. It's down here. Oh, this is cool. I'd 100% camp here. A little swimming hole in there. Yeah, it's sick. I'll have to mark this spot. This one's cool. Oh. Got a tree branch in my eye. All right, back to the road. All right, according to the maps, it says we're here. This is it. For all the people thinking I ride illegal trails, there you go. Well, sometime. God, this is gonna be interesting. The footlog over is tipped and is in unsafe condition. Fording the creek is recommended instead of footlog use. Oh boy, that doesn't sound too good. This definitely doesn't look like dirt bikes have been on it. Ooh, a little tree. All right, this trail is, oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. All right. What I was saying is this trail is freaking sweet.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Okay, this is kind of psyching me out. That is a vertical cliff right there. Oh no. Alright, just stay focused, ride smart, don't make mistakes. Down to the creek we go to ford the river. Forge? Ford? Ford. Alright, I see the river. It's still about 100 feet below me. Some switchbacks here. Ah, I love reverse. Let's see if we can do this one without reversing. Nope. Nope. Not good enough. Now I gotta get back on this bike. Is this the river? Oh. Oh wait, no, I think there's another river. This isn't bad though. That ain't bad at all. I don't even have to keep my boots wet. All right, now we're down in the valley. We literally descended all that way. Oh, that's a rock slab. That's what I gotta be careful of. Is these tiny little rock slabs that are just hidden underneath the dirt. So I don't lose traction and send it down the hill. Oh, this is sick. It's so moody in here. It's an awesome vibe. I thought this trail was gonna be way gnarlier than it is. It's actually like so easy to ride. Thank you to whoever cut that tree. Oh, look at these. Switchback after switchback. It's when you gotta kind of like slide your rear into. Okay, that's not gonna work. Almost. Let's not roll you off this now. Oh man, look at this. Oh. You think we can do that? That's a little intimidating. All right, let's try it. Get up there. Get up there. All right, I'm thinking about my life decisions here, guys. I'm not taking the risk. It's not worth it. It's not worth getting myself messed up out here alone. Sorry, maybe when you're dry, I'll do it. The problem is there's no room for error, so if you hesitate or anything, there's nowhere to put your foot down. So luckily on the right side you have that railing, but on the left side you have nothing. And it's like a 5-foot drop down into the river. Yeah, there we go. And freaking hit this on the pegs and send her right up. Just let that gummy tire eat. Tear up the trail too much. Just like that. Oh, there must be another cross. Whoa. Imagine doing that hill climb. That's sick. That is so sick. There's a little cave too at the bottom. That's where I should have camped. All right, well, now that I know there's camping areas down here, I actually should have brought my tent. All right, this is the river we gotta cross. I mean, that's straight up rapids. Oh God, something tells me we're gonna be soaking wet on the back end of this trip. Is that a road? Is that the road I came in on? Huh. This is an epic, epic trail. Oh, this is an old road. Look at this. This is an old road. Wow. That's sick. Yeah, this must be like an old abandoned campsite down here. I mean, this is 2-track coming up here. Man, people are slobs. All right, we should be almost out of here. This should lead us back to the road. Oh, my front tire's kicking up the freaking dirt from the road into my eye. Can't see. Woo! Oh, sweet home. Oh, cleared up a little bit. You can actually kind of see out there. Good little, I don't even know. This thing died, so I'm not even sure how many miles we did. But I'm only at 64%. We probably did about like 15 miles. All right, well, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stick around for next week's video. It's going to be awesome. Hit that like button. Let us continue doing this type of stuff. I'll go torture myself in the rain. But until next time, peace.